Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, here our today's topic is lesson 14 and it's exercise 1 to 4. That means exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these exercises we are going to finish today. And this is our lecture number 3 and SW number 3. Okay, so let's start our today's topic. Look here, our today's topic is interrogative adjectives. Okay, look dear students, first we will read this conversation. Look here, we have found two girls are saying something. Look, first one is saying, what color is your shirt? And then another one is saying what? It is yellow. Then look here, first girl is saying what? Which pencil box is yours? Then another one is saying what? The blue one. Okay. Then look here, the first girl is saying again, whose pen have you borrowed? Whose pen have you borrowed? Then another one said what? My brother's pen. Okay. Now look dear students, now we will know about interrogative adjective. Okay, what is interrogative adjective? An interrogative adjective like what, which, whose. Okay, what, which, whose is like an interrogative pronoun and is used to talk and is used to ask questions. Okay, it's used to ask questions. Then look, however, unlike the interrogative pronoun, the interrogative adjective modifies a noun. Okay, remember this, unlike the interrogative pronoun, the interrogative adjective modifies a noun. Okay. Now dear students, look here, we have already read some examples. Okay, like what color is your shirt, which pencil box is yours, whose pen have you borrowed. Dear students, look here in the first sentence, what refers to the noun color. Okay, what refers to the noun color here. Here you will find the word book in your book, but instead but you have to cut this word and here you have to write color. Okay, what refers to the noun color. And dear students, look in the second sentence, which refers to the noun pencil. Look here, which pencil box is yours. Here, which refers to the noun pencil. Okay, and whose refers to the noun pen. Look in this third sentence, whose pen have you borrowed. In this sentence, whose refers to the noun pen. Okay, now dear students, so what we have learned? We have learned that an interrogative adjective like what, which, whose is like an interrogative pronoun and it's used to ask questions. Okay, now we will do some exercise from our book. Please follow your book. Okay, exercise number 1. Check the correct interrogative adjectives to complete these sentences. Okay, first one, look here. What or whose clothes are these? Dear students, look, to make a meaningful sentence here we have to put a tick on the word whose. Whose clothes are these? Then number 2, what or whose color is your bag? Here the correct answer is what? What? What color is your bag? To make a meaningful sentence we have to take the word what. Okay, and what is an example of interrogative adjective. So you have to put a tick on the word what. Okay, what color is your bag? Now number 3, we are going to read, what or which book are you reading? Here the correct answer is what. To make a meaningful sentence here we have to put a tick on the word which. Which book are you reading? Then look, then number 4, what or which way are you going? Here the correct answer is what? Which. Which way are you going? You have to put a tick on the word which. Which way are you going? Then number 5, whose or what bicycle is this? Here the correct answer is what? Dear students, here you have to put a tick on the word whose. Whose bicycle is this? To make a meaningful sentence here you have to write make a put on the word whose. Make a tick on the word whose. Okay, whose bicycle is this? Then number 6, what or whose pen is this? Is it John's? Here the correct answer is whose. Whose pen is this? Is it John's? Then number 7, whose or which game do you want to play? cricket or football? Here, dear students, you have to put a tick on the word which. Which game do you want to play, cricket or football? Then number 8. What or whose color is your water bottle? Here you have to put a tick on the word what. What color is your water bottle? So to make a meaningful sentence, here you have to put a tick on the word what. What color is your water bottle? Okay, dear students, now exercise number 2. Here now we are going to read exercise number 2. Okay, complete these sentences with interrogative adjectives from the box. Here you will get some clues. Okay, now you have to fill this gap by using these clues. First one, look here, dash time are we leaving? Okay, so from this box you have to take help from the word. Here you will write what time are we leaving? Okay, so here we have taken the word what, okay, from this box, and by using this word we have to make a we have already made a meaningful sentence, and that are what time are we leaving? Okay, then look, number 2, dash shirt is Torun's. Here the correct answer is here you have to write which. From this box you have to write here which. Okay, which shirt is Torun's? Then number 3, dash subject are you studying? Here you have to write which subject are you studying? Then number 4, dash street do you live on? Here you have to write which. Which street do you live on? Then number 5, dash color is your car? Here you have to write what. What color is your car? Dear students, here if I write here which color is your car, then the sentence will not give a meaningful sense. To make a meaningful sentence you have to write here what. What color is your car? Then number 6, dash lunch box is this? Here you have to write whose lunch box is this? Then number 7, dash bag are you planning to buy? Here you have to write which bag. Okay, which bag are you planning to buy? Then number 8, dash shoes are these? Here you have to write whose shoes are these? So dear students, I am repeating this gap once again. At first, dash time are we leaving? Here you have to write what time are we leaving? Okay, then look dear students, here number 2, dash shirt is Torun's? Here you have to write which shirt is Torun's? Then number 6, dash subject are you studying? Here you have to write which subject are you studying? Then number 4, dash street do you live on? Here you have to write which street do you live on? Then number 5, dash color is your car? Wait please dear student. Here you have to write what color is your car? Okay. Then look, number 6, dash lunch box is this? Here you have to write whose lunch box is this? Okay. Then number 7, look here, look number 6, whose lunch box is this? Then number 7, dash bag are you planning to buy? Here you have to write which bag are you planning to buy? Then number 8, dash shoes are these? Here you have to write whose shoes are these? Okay. Then exercise number 3 we are going to do. At first you have to read the question. Complete these sentences with interrogative adjectives. So like this way we are going to make some we are going to fill this gap by using interrogative adjective. Okay, look here, number 1, dash time is the flight? Here you have to write what. To make a meaningful sentence, here you have to write what, which is an example of interrogative adjective. Okay, now number 2, dash mother is a teacher? Here you have to write whose mother is a teacher? Okay, then number 3, dash answer is correct? Here you have to write which answer is correct? Then number 4, dash books are these? Here you have to write whose books are these? Okay, then number 5, dash dress will you wear today? Here you have to write Which dress will you wear today? Okay, to make a meaningful sentence here you have to put, you have to write which dress will you wear today. Okay, then now look here, number 6. Dash book is lost. Here you have to write which, okay, which book is lost. Then last one, that means number 7. Dash child is absent today. Here you have to write whose child is absent today, whose child is absent today. Okay, now I am going to do exercise number 4. At first you have to read the question, write questions for these answers using interrogative adjectives. Okay, so you have to write question for these answers. Okay, and now I am going to read this answer at first. This is my shirt, and its question is what? Whose shirt is this? Okay, like this way you have to make this question, whose shirt is this? Okay, now number 2, I am taking the morning train. Okay, and in this assertive sentence you have to make its question. Look here, you have to write which train are you taking, which train are you taking. Okay, now number 3, this is my friend's dog Peppy. Here its question is what? Whose dog is this? Whose dog is this? Okay, like this way you have to make its question. Now number 4, I will take the shortest route to the park. Here you have to make its question like this way. Which route will you take to the park? Which route will you take to the park? Okay, now number 5, it is my hat. Here its question is what? Whose hat is it? Whose hat is it? Okay, like this way you have to write. Then number 6, I want the blue balloon. I want the blue balloon. Here the question is what? What balloon do you want? What balloon do you want? Like this way you have to make its question. Okay, and the assertive sentence is what? I want the blue balloon, and its question will be what? What balloon do you want? Then look number 7. I am talking about Pritam's brother. Here the question is what? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Okay, then number 8. Orun's team won the match, and its question will be what? Whose team won the match? Look here, this assertive sentence is the what? Orun's team won the match, and its question is what? Whose team won the match? Of course, after finishing the sentence you have to put a question mark. Okay, after finishing to write the sentence. Now dear students, now I am going to give you SW. You have to make SW exercise 4. Okay, exercise 4 you have to submit as your SW. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.